7. I'm dipping in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so we just dropped out the pack to Cortez, man. You may or may not know what's finna happen if you wasn't in that live, but make sure you stay tuned to it. Anyway, but now we are headed to the Home Depot, man. I was doing the live the other day, man, and loyal subscriber, man, has been watching for a while, man, supporting Craig Durbin, man. He was like, hey, LS. He was like, why don't you have a PayPal on your why don't you have a PayPal link on your about page on Facebook? I was like, well, I never really thought about it, right? So I went to look to double check. Last time it's been updated, it don't even say nothing about the Cutlass, man. So it's been at least a year or so before since the last time it's even been, you know what I'm saying, updated. So you know, I told him, yeah, man, I consider it, woo woo woo. So he shoot me a text, tell me he needs my address. So I'm like, okay, cool, you know, anything for the bro. So boop boop boop. And then next thing I know, in the live, you know, all this happening on live, and I told him that, you know, it was it meant a lot to me, so I was gonna make a video about it by itself. So he sends me, he's like, check your email. So I check my email and it says I have a gift card coming. So I'm like, okay. It said I have a gift card. So the gift card, you know what I'm saying, it says like, you know what I'm saying, Ryobi just came out with a new ratchet. I recently told Craig that, well, I announced to y'all as a whole that, you know what I'm saying, Milwaukee is not for me. It's out of my price point, it's out of my range. However, Ryobi is right where I needed to be. I don't really beat up my tools. Like, I might buy the tools, use them every once in a while. They don't get the abuse that, you know what I'm saying, a lot of the Ryobi tools or a lot of the Milwaukee, what the Milwaukee is built for. You know what I'm saying? Milwaukee is probably like a middle tier to be compared up there with DeWalt and stuff like that. So we are headed to Home Depot to go get this ratchet. We're finna go ahead and redeem this gift card that was sent by Craig, man. So this video is pretty much sponsored by Craig. Shout out to Craig. So and I'm gonna look around, I'm gonna see what else is there, and we may or may not pick up something. You know, I'm gonna just match what he already is, you know, has sent us, been a blessing to the channel with, and then I'll see exactly what else they got. I'm trying to think what other tool I really need, but I'm really just trying to take advantage of the rest of this Ryobi Day thing, so that I can you know, get the best bang for the buck type thing. So I'll cut y'all back on, man, when we get to the parking lot, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we're here at Home Depot. As you can see, it's very much still in full effect, COVID, so I'm gonna head over to the tools. Alright, so we are here on location. That's the one I just got, $79.99. But it was free because of the, you know, the purchase. I don't see any ratchets. Oh, no problem. But yeah, as you can see, the price of those batteries, $89.99. Last year you got these. This year you get the 4 amp hours. But still, that's like $160 worth of battery. These are $99, so that's like $200 worth of batteries. So you get 2 batteries and the other. So let's go to the actual display, I guess, and see what they have. I know it said they may or may not have it in stock, so I might have to go to a different location. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time today though. See, these Milwaukee tools are so expensive. I'm so done with them. It doesn't even show that they have it on display here. A lot of the stuff is just gone, man. It's gone. So we may just have to go to the other location. I got some more circular saws in. The multi-tool, reciprocating saw. But nothing else. Alright, let's go to Temple. Alright, y'all, so Home Depot, 23 miles away. Excuse me, I had to put a little umph on it. So yeah, the next Home Depot over is gonna be 23 miles away. You can see that. So we are finna shoot over there before we have to go to work. I believe the computer said they had one, if I'm not mistaken. Before I left the house, well, when I looked this morning, it said that they had one in stock, where this store here said check the store. But trying to call into these stores with all this epidemic shit going on, like, it's really a hard time. So trying to make sure that was bright enough to where y'all can see it. But yeah, 23 miles. Gonna start the route. Alright, so we made it to Home Depot here in Temple. Let's hope they got what we came for. So we're currently waiting. It says they have one in stock. So we're just waiting on the final word. I just asked the associate for some help, so we'll see. I think we found it. I think it's way up there. Like that right there. I think that's it. Like all hope was lost. And this guy right here, he's my savior. He's my savior. He's my Obi-Wan Kenobi. Because the other guy was like, he walked me to the regular spots and it wasn't there. So this guy took the extra step, and it looks like there's even 2 up there. That is awesome. Alright, so let me show you what we got. So I got that impact. It did fall under the free tool thing, man. So that was like free $99 joint. Like that. Shout out to Craig. I thought he was just sending me some extra to cover the taxes on it. It was like $80 or $69, $79, something like that. I thought it was just, but it actually fell up under the free tool thing, so that was covered. So I was like, well, you know, since he blessed me like that, then, you know, I've been thinking about replacing or getting rid of my Black & Decker drill anyway. So now, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna probably get rid of that. This is actually a hammer drill, whole different beast, same deal. You know what I'm saying, 99 bucks there. And then I went ahead and grabbed this here 18-volt orbital jigsaw. I have a corded one. I'm gonna get rid of that one, sell it. You know what I'm saying, maybe I can make some of the money back. You know what I'm saying, we ain't trying to make it all back. Put it on the marketplace and get it sold. So shout out to Craig for helping, being a blessing to the channel. And I guess we'll do like an actual review, man, when we actually get it to the house. But at this point, man, I just gotta get to work. Gotta get to work. So, thank y'all for tuning in and watching. It's your boy LS254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. This could be like the after, the behind the scenes. Like, nigga, I'm hungry. All this running around and fighting for justice to get me a fucking ratchet has been exhausting. Need some vittles. Chow time, let's eat. Gone.